review on area. So when we're looking at the area of a circle, we are going to use the formula area equals pi r squared, just like we talked about yesterday. So we're always measuring in square units of measurement. Something like feet squared, meters squared, centimeters squared, inches squared. So all we need to determine is how to find the radius. That's the one value we need to substitute in. So if we're looking at the distance of intense shaking from the epicenter, here, which is the center of our circle, of a particular earthquake to the outer edge, and we know that that was 134 miles, because it begins in the epicenter, and this distance takes us from the center to the outward edge of the circle, that's going to be our radius. So remember our 3 steps. We're going to write the formula, substitute what we know, and then solve. So as I square 134, I get 17,956, and I multiply it by pi, and I get an area for this earthquake of 56,381 and 84 hundredths miles. So I need to know to the nearest square mile, so that would be about 56,382 miles squared. Sometimes we won't be given the radius, we'll be given the diameter, and we have to find the radius given the diameter. So if we're looking at the eye of Hurricane Matthew and it's 28 miles wide, that would be the diameter. That'd be the distance all the way across. So if the diameter is 28, then my radius has to be half of that, which is 14. So if I want to find the area of the eye of the hurricane, then I can use my formula, area equals pi r squared, and now I'm going to substitute what I know. So I square 14, which gives me 196. I multiply it by pi, and I get an area of 615 and 44 hundredths. So to the nearest mile, that would be about 615 miles squared. So as you begin your 11.3 worksheet, remember you're doing the front only, and you need to start by writing your formula and then substitute the values that you know, and then follow your order of operations to solve and label your answer with square units of measurement. Good luck!